Hi everybody, it's me, Carrie, your Stampin' Up! Demonstrator from Farmington Hills, Michigan. Here, a little late with a Saturday sip. I apologize, I have a cough drop in my mouth because that's why I was running a little late. I'm having a little coughing fit. You know how when you're done with a cold and it doesn't seem to care? And it just lets you keep coughing. That's where I am. So, okay. So say hello when you pop on. My comments might be a little weird for me to see today, but anyway. So I apologize for the coughing and the sniffling, and I really think I'm better, and then I have a coughing fit. Okay, so again, my name is Carrie. I'm your Stampin' Up! Demonstrator from Farmington Hills, Michigan. My Stampin' Up! Website for shopping, MemoryINKers.com, MemoryINKers@gmail.com to email me. My hostess code for April 2024 is F as in Frank, E as in Edward, T as in Tom, M as in Michael, J as in Joseph, U as in Umbrella, or Ulysses, if we're going to keep going with names, R as in Robert, Y as in Yellow. Okay, got that out of the way. All right, so I am using the ice cream swirl set, but I'm only using the Hope Your Day is Sweet. That's the only part I'm using of that. And I'm using Garden Green. So I am going to show you my swap for my team meeting that I held this week. Hang on, I'm opening it. I just got back from my sister's house. We were dropping off, when my mother passed, she left me her hope chest. It's beautiful. I'll post some pictures of it. It's beautiful. But my sister has wanted it, and my house is really small, so we took it to her today. So she was pretty happy. Anyway, this is my swap that I had them make, and so I'm just going to show you. It's real quick. So what we do at my team meetings is we have what we call a shoebox swap, where everybody puts their swap pieces in a box, and then we pass them around. So here's the leftovers of mine, and everything is in there that you need. They bring their own adhesives and things, but like I had my foam strips in there, because not everybody has those, and they are needed for this project. And my gems were in there too. So then what they do is they have my sample so they can see what it is. This is done with the new designer series paper called, I think it's Mediterranean Blossoms, and it has oranges and lemons. So they take out one of my packets. So I did the lemon, so I'm going to do one in the orange flavored Kool-Aid. And then this is a piece of Garden Green. So this is all the stuff they would pull out of mine when it's in front of them. And then they would begin to make their project. And I'm trying to remember if I'm forgetting anything. Yes. I didn't grab my pack of adhesives. So here we go. All right, so just like normal, you are going to fold your card in half. Okay, so they've got that ready. And then inside each pack, I have what they need to replicate this card. Obviously, Kool-Aid. I have pre-die cut this piece. This is from this die set. This is coming out. It's this die right here. And this is called Unbound Love dies. There's a sentiment stamp set that it's bundled with, or you can buy it separate. But it has all labels and a few like cool doohickey bobbers. But it's so cute. Love, love, love. You know how I love sentiments. So something to die cut out my sentiments. Awesome. Okay. So again, I apologize for my cough drop. And I just got back, so I'm a little disoriented, so give me just a minute. Okay, so this piece is, was for the inside of their card. So they would adhere that to the inside because it's a dark piece. And then they have this piece, and it is matted. It's like I've lost my mind, you guys. So this is how we're going to put it together, okay? So, grab my adhesive. I think I might be running out. Nope, it's good. Okay, cool. You just want to make sure you've got it going the right way, because you can see these oranges are hanging. So you wouldn't want it to be upside down. So that wouldn't be cool. And then we're going to mat this piece onto here. I'm not worried about it matching up. You can worry about that, but I knew the Kool-Aid pack was going to cover it, so I wasn't that worried about it. So there we go. So now that's going to go on there, but I don't want to glue it down flat because my Kool-Aid pack is not flat, right? So that is where these, I love these, you guys. If you have not used these adhesive strips, they're number 141812. 99% sure they're carrying over in the catalog, but they're very long strips. Very long. Here's a partial one, so I'll go ahead and use that. So I want to make sure that I know that my fruit is going the right way. So this is the top. I don't want to put any on that. So we'll do this. And then they snip very easily. Then so if anybody is commenting, I'm not seeing any comments yet, so please say hello. I hope you're having a good Saturday. I don't know what the weather's like by you guys, but they said this morning, I checked the weather because we were moving a hope chest, so, you know, in a truck, and I didn't want it to get damaged, and they were like, no rains expected, no problem. As my son and my husband are carrying the hope chest out, there was snow. I'm not kidding you. It was just little, like, what I like to call fairy dust of snow, where, you know, just a little bit would sprinkle along, but it was snowing. Luckily, my son's truck had, they were able to take the hope chest and lay it on its back and slide it under his covering. He's got one of those covers that rolls back. I'm not technical when it comes to car stuff, so I don't know. It's a thingy on a thingy. All right, so then you just move the transfer sheets, strips, whatever you want to call them. I love these, you guys. I'm not kidding you. They are amazingly awesome for shaker dies. You can kind of get them to shape. Not, you know, they're not perfect, so you're going to have to snip here and there, but they will curve if you need them to. And then this just, I'm going to stand it up like this so that I can be sure I get it where I want it. Like so. So now you see I have a pocket for my Kool-Aid. Then, before I take this apart, I'm going to stamp on this. Now, if you look, you want to stamp it so that the leaves are down here. I like the idea of the leaves up, but the Hope Your Day is too long, so they're going to have to go this way. So, here we go. Has anybody gotten their catalogs yet? They, I got the one that I sent to myself, which I like to do so I know when they are getting them. Don't forget, at Mega Meat, I will have them there. What I'm doing is I'm selling the catalog. Right now I'm thinking $5, but it might be $3. But you're going to get a $5 coupon with your catalog on your next Stampin' Up! Order. So, really, it's free. All right, so now when I cut this out, I put on the back of the cardstock the adhesive sheets. So when I pick this off, it's already got, I mean, there's a little bit there where it started to come off. But you can see you can pull it. And what's nice about it is it gets most of those inner side pieces. Didn't get them all, but it got most of them. So that you can then, it's easier to take them out. There's a lot of them though, you guys. This has a lot of little pokey spots. But I kind of like that. I don't know how you guys feel about that. I mean, it's not that I think it's fun to take them out, but I love kind of a skeletal look. I don't know what else to call it, but a skeletal look to those kind of things. Again, I apologize for my sniffles. So irritating. I'm not going to apologize for my nails. You guys know I'm waiting to the last minute to go and get them done before Mega Meet. Although this one, my dip, see how bad my dips are? Look how grown out. This one, the dip fell off this morning, so it has some color street over it. So I put it on this one to kind of make a match. But I know I'm silly. But yeah, I'm trying to hold off. But I'm hoping my nails hold up so that I don't have to have any tips put on. Okay. And then they're all stuck to my fingers. Okay. So now I have that pretty skeleton. Little piece stuck to the back there. There we go. All right. So now I trimmed this. I think it's a little bit big. I think it is. Yep, it is. So I'm going to even it up to one side. And then I am just going to cut it kind of around the leaves. You don't have to be that picky if you don't want to. And then cut it. If you want to get it perfect, you can. I mean, knock yourself out. And if you want to, like, make sure the white is under all the leaves, like it is here, and I just didn't worry about that. Okay? Shoebox swaps are supposed to be fast. So, there we go. And then, this is not up on dimensionals, because if you're going to mail it, the Kool-Aid pack is going to be pretty thick, as are the dimensionals that are there. So, I'm just putting adhesive on the back. And then, that goes in the center. Like so. And then this is the rainbow adhesive back dots. They come in Flirty Flamingo, Pool Party, Petal Pink, Lemon Lolly, Azure Afternoon, Bubble Bath, Fresh Freesia, and Balmy Blue. But what I liked about them was it had yellow and an orange, which is where I was going with this, right? So now I can just pop those on. Oops. Maybe. There we go. Super simple. Just some cute little sweet cards. You could do this with seed packs. I know on the online exclusives, there's some beautiful DSP and a whole suite for zinnias. I did not purchase it. I'm trying to hold back my FOMO. But it's beautiful, and I've seen people make similar cards to this and put zinnia packs in there. So for if you've got friends that garden, that's kind of a cute idea. But I thought these would be fun. Because it's Kool-Aid, I mean, I think as an adult, it's fun. We had Kool-Aid at our team meeting, obviously, because of this. But if you were sending a card to a younger person, a child, or they would love having Kool-Aid, right? Who doesn't love Kool-Aid? All right, you guys, this is short and sweet. I will be back on Tuesday. I have to go finish. I've got so much more to do to get ready for the Great Lakes Mega Meet coming up. So I hope you're coming to see me. We'll be in booth 738. I'll give you a peek at, this is our little make and take. It's tiny, but it's cute. And it does, it will go onto the 12 by 12 2-page spread that I will have available. And the 2-page spread is only $10. So I have a limited number. So I think you're going to like them. And that is all I have for you today. I hope you guys have a blessed and wonderful weekend. See you soon.